guys, Lord of Knives here, and we are on a fishing mission. We're in the middle of the swamp. I should have turned that on earlier because we literally just fell in the swamp. Oh, and we might fall again.
All right.
But we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get to the lake and worry about how we're gonna get back later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna catch a big one just for you guys.
Can I get a local bass? No. I believe in mowing your lawn if it just gets. Did you see that?
Yeah. Fuck. Ribs, dude. That guy's cheesed.
That was a top water strike. That was so cool.
The top water strike.
Yo. But it was deep in there. Oh, I'm so shit. And then he came back. And then he came back. No, I missed him. And then he came back. Come on, let me get him. Let me get him. Throwing the blue fox or throwing a spoon or something.
That's what fucking spinners ain't doing.
Yeah, these beginner spinners, you ain't hitting it. But no, let's go, Joel. It's a small one though. I got one. Yeah, Joel, check it out. Huh? Getting a little bigger, boys.
Nice size Pike. What do you have on there? Silver smooth?
Nah, man, it's the same beginner spinner I've only using. This is a good looking pike. Even though he's not too big, he's good looking. All right, enough trauma for one day. Go on, little pike.
Looking, like when we docked over there, I was just looking at those shitty metal boats on the side. I was like,
That's $5, bro.
should I go to my account right now and tell this guy got 4 hard,
Cold bills. 4 cold bills.
Cold. That's something cooler.
I have 4 cold bills for you right
up.
now. But yo, that's a Pike striker. You're just gonna get pure Pike strikes on that one.
Pike strike, man.
Am I on? I'm on, dog.
Need the net? Bring that net over.
Damn it.
God, I jumped off.
Oh.
Magic of editing. I really don't know.
I know. And I'm on. Let's go, boys.
We're going?
Yeah.
Back to the orange lure just because it's less sheep. What's this up? Never jump a fucking lure.
This bass is like stuck on something, bro. Yo, this is a big one. Sure.
What is it?
I don't know what it is yet.
You know, and you're like, oh, it'll still cast, but it's tangled as shit.
That's why it is. That's why he felt me.
Bring it in. Let me get the net. Bring me the net. Give me the net. Give me the net.
I got it. Let's go, boys!
Nice catfish.
No, that's not a catfish. This is a largemouth bass.
Is it largy?
And he went into the grass and I had to use both hands to get him out.
Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. We're gonna talk about it.
Talk about it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them on a can.
Yeah, dude. Okay. Good start off to the day. I missed like 3 fish, but this is a pretty good one. I don't know about the weights. I do have a scale, but he's been out of the water too long, so let's get him back in.
Okay. Yo, man, you need to get the fucking. No, too good, man.
Where are these bass? Got one. That was perfect strike. Perfect strikes. Come on. Oh, he's a little guy. He's a little rock dog. Oh, this is the bass that I grew up on. Little rock. Oh, oh no.
Oh, hook the boat, boy.
Bass in the boat.
Bass in the boat.
Say like and subscribe. Sitting so comfortably. Could fall asleep here.
Fall asleep.
That was so cool. No. Oh, it's because I didn't set the hook. Did you guys see that? That's why you don't relax when you're fishing. I just didn't set the hook. There's a strike right beside the boat. Doesn't matter because I caught a next one. It might be a bass. Oh, he's a pike. A little one at that. So because of how small my boat is, me and Joel can't really turn around, and although he caught just as much fish as me, if not more, and the biggest rock bass I've ever seen in my life, I was only able to film this one fish. You got one? Let's get her going. Little pike dog.
Oh, tiny
oh.
dog.
On the Golda, see? Whoo! It's getting hot now. Don't know, I think I'm fishing on. Perfect strikes on him. Just another little pike. Come on this side, little guy. So guys, I think that will do it for today on the mystery lake here. We caught a whole school of pike, and unfortunately we weren't able to catch any big largies, but next time we're here we're going to be catching some largies, I guarantee it. And
Man, Outro needs some energy, boy.
make sure you like and subscribe. I always forget to say that, but make sure you like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. I am a brand new YouTuber and I just want to get her going. So I'm OT, the Lord of Knives. Stay sharp.
Yo, we drank worse than this. Are you dumb?
No, not worse than this.
Yo,
I'll never agree.
Omar.
This smells so bad.
Not worse than that other one.
The other had a hint of this smell. This is the full smell.
No, no.